Winner comes to us from Chess Club Comedy.
Good morning. Something's different about me.
Oh, yeah? What is it?
Guess.
Got new jeans.
No.
New necklace.
No.
New shirt.
No.
Alright, I give up. What is it?
No, keep guessing.
Alright, new contacts.
No.
New shoes.
No.
Baby, listen, I have to go to work, so can you please just tell me what's different?
Guessing.
I don't want to guess anymore.
You are not leaving this apartment until you guess what is different about me.
Fine. New watch.
No.
Wearing a new ring.
No.
For the love of God, just tell me what is different.
You have to guess it!
New tan.
No.
New perfume.
No.
In the name of all that is holy, please tell me what is different.
You have to guess! Guess it!
I don't wanna.
Yes!
Please, nail, you did your nails.
No.
Put on mascara.
No.
You are tearing with relationships apart. Every time you do this, Allison, just tell me.
Guess it!
You bought a new bra.
No.
You're pregnant.
Yes.
There is no God.
Guess if I thought that video was funny.
God.
We'll be right back with more Limbo Land.